need you guys to get ready to see what this tornado did. The devastation, the demonic force that this tornado did to Dallas, Texas. People say God. I don't say God. I don't think God had his hands in this. Watch how the scenery changed. I don't think God had his hands in this. Look at the scenery. Watch how the scenery change, man. There's no way that God had his hands in this. These are successful people, man. Very successful people. Yes, it looked like a abandoned house. No, it's not. That was a perfect home. Look at this one. The roof is totally off. Totally off. This is what 2019. Look over here. This is Dallas, man. This is Dallas. Look. On both sides of the street. This is a mansion. Supposed to be a mansion. It looks like you're in a war. For real, man. A very nice area. Very nice area. Well-to-do people. Well-to-do people. Look, man. This is what it did. Get ready to see Halloween. For real. This is what you call the true Halloween. When a demon come in October. This is why I don't celebrate Halloween. Look at this, man. Look at all this. This is horror. Look at this. Look at this. We're not used to this. I'm doing one side of the street, then I go to the other side. Look at this. A gated community, man. Look at this. These are houses. This is not, this is not, this is a mansion. I think this is the one belonged to one of the basketball players or something. Don't let me get it wrong, but it belongs to one of the, some kind of sports player. This is what we're looking at, man. It's gonna take years. This is Dallas, man. This is what I have to protect tonight. This here. So people won't. Ooh, shit. Look at that. Look, man. Multi-mansions. Not $1 million house. 10 to 5 to 10 million dollar home. Custom built houses. That's not a fire department, that's a custom built house. Look at this, man. This is crazy. Super crazy. You be successful and you think that's the world? It's not. It's not. Look at this. Look at that home. I don't know what these rich folks done. But this demon came through her, you know what I mean? He said, I give it and I will take it away. Man, the city almost shut down. For real, for real. For real, for real. This city is almost shut down. God just spared us because he just hit this area. He didn't go any further. And thank God he didn't. See? This is where I'm working tonight. Trying to protect people from loitering. The Gap store and all these other stores.